course. My fucking password's crazy. I think this is right. What happened to the notification? Resend it. Yes, it's me. Skip. Okay, now we have the chat working. Sorry. That was taking me a second. Now we have the chat. Okay. Sound is good. I'm gonna go back to this tab now. So we're making a bee farm game here. Just to walk you guys through. We're just kind of making some final touches, cleaning up some things. Oh, do I have to have this chat thing open? Oh, that's kind of annoying. Oh no, where did that? Stay here. Okay. That should be good. Sorry, I was making some changes. I guess, here, 1 second. What line are we on right now? 686. I guess, we can show you the game here. Let's see, is this... Let me bring it down. Can't tell. Is this a good viewing? Yeah, it should be. Oh no, I lost it. There we go. So this is the game. It's still very rough. This is now the 10th version of some major overhauls, and as you can see, like right here, we still have plants that spawn in the middle of shit. These benches here need to spawn over here, and like this house up here, it just is spawned in right in the middle of the road. So we gotta fix some things still, but before, the collision boundaries wasn't working, but oh well, that's nice. It's nice to see that. Sorry, never mind. The collision boundaries wasn't working for the buildings, so you could just like freely walk through it. And same thing here, I'll just go over here. Same thing with these plots of land. So I added collision boundaries with me and all the NPCs, and also gave them like certain paths. So they have, each of them have their own path in the game. I don't really know how to describe it, but like, let's say, you know, Bubba's like, ooh, I want to go to the fountain. Now he's like, ooh, I want to go somewhere else. Like, all of them do their own thing. Super cool. I kind of forgot what I was talking about. Anyway, so collisions, added that. That was a whole big thing with all the NPCs. And then I kind of forgot about my own plot of land. So once you own a plot of land, now you can kind of just walk freely in and out. Cool. Things you can't walk in and out. The NPCs can still walk freely through all the plots of land, but that, whatever. I don't really care about that. Need to spawn the buildings more over towards this way. And also, the issue that I'm now running into, I added this feature where you actually spawn inside of the building. But as you can see, the collisions here, still need to add that. This is very rough. Like I said, this is all new, which is why none of it works. I was just trying to see what works and what doesn't. It's kind of hard with the 2D aspect. I don't know. I'm going to change up how it looks and all that, but this is roughly, like I said, this is very rough. But as you see, when you get closer, you can actually hit E. I need to remove this escape because this was from earlier. If you hit escape, it closes the game. So we'll go back. Let's go to another building. But when you do leave, this menu pops up. So this menu needs to go inside once you enter a building, not when you're leaving. And also when you talk to NPCs, I want to make it so they stay in place. So yeah, pretty much. Oh, I just noticed this window too needs to go above this pillar. Oh no, this whole entire bank. What happened? Why did it do that? Okay. So yeah, there's a lot of things we gotta change still. But yeah. So far, so good. Also, there is a save feature implemented. So when you load it, you load in your last spot as well with all your saved progress. I was just testing this save feature, so I don't think I really have anything. But as you can see, I'm over on this side of the map now. That's another thing. We got a mini map. Well, very rough mini map, but yeah. And I don't know if I can go to. This is my other game that I made. Another 2D kind of just like retro. Whoops. Here's some actual pictures. Like retro style game. So that's why I kind of wanted to keep this the same way. And also because it's easier for me. Because I'm using raylib and I'm also learning Odin. So very much of a learning curve for me. But we're figuring it out. So slowly but surely. Some other fun things. Got like the houses that spawn in, and like You know, it says the Bat Cave. Cool. When you buy though, where does it say it? Oh, does it not say it anymore? Where is it? Not that house. It's supposed to give you a 10% production boost in honey. Huh. That's really weird. We're gonna have to figure out what happened with that. Maybe honey home? No, really? That's so strange. Oh, you know what? I think I know what happened. Let's see. Shit. What line were we on before? What did I say or remember? I don't know. Let's just try, does that seem right? Oh wait, no, it was like 600 something, right? Yeah, 6 something, I don't know. We'll just go back to where I was and just keep going through. I don't know, I kind of like that. Don't really need to visit the marketplace anymore. Before, like I said, there's been lots of variations, but we're getting close here, so we're gonna go back through and make all the small touches of correcting everything before we lose control here. Welcome to Honeyville, where honey is, is money. And what if we do 10? Let's see what happens. We're also at 868. We gotta remember that this time. 868, 868, 868. Eight six eight 868 868 868. Okay. So I also, okay, cool. We fixed the spawn message. I don't know if you guys noticed before. Here, we'll just close it out and do it again. Before, this was like running off all the way into here. So this is now centered again. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. 868. Oh, 68. Cool. I don't know if anyone's watching. I doubt it. I was gonna check to see if anyone was chatting, but I doubt it. Oh yeah, that's what I need to change. Market. So, oops. How do we just do command N? I just run another. Okay, I like the way that looks. Fresh honey and goods. go back up to that welcome message, actually. Honey is money. Okay, I like that more. I felt like it was too long on the screen. Let's go to like 8. Yeah, there we go. That's what we want to get rid of. Actually, shit, do I have a button for it? I don't think so. Yeah, so there is... It does say that... Okay. But I could have sworn... See, it doesn't say anything about... honey production bonuses, but whatever. It's in the game. It's in there. This one I think is funny. Look at this. Equal honey lender. That's funny. Instead of equal money lender. Get it? We don't really have closing hours or day cycles, so I guess I should be realistic. What about the market don't even give a damn. Market said fuck it. Wait. Three. No. Wait, that's not even... don't know why I keep using my mouse. Because it's just engraved in me. Get rid of this mumbo jumbo. Escape to open shop menu, bitch. No, it is not. What should I put there? Well, so also, this guy named Chase at my work. None of you know him. There's this funny character in the game called Dale, and he's gonna be the town drunk and the thief. So I should warn him. Well, never mind. Let me go back to Chase. So Chase suggested that when you have a lot of honey, then Dale will come and try and steal your honey from you. So I'm gonna leave a note and say, watch out. We'll just leave it ominous. We'll do something funny with here. I think we're at 1909, so yeah, E to exit. Yeah, so we're doing good. This still isn't centered. There's oh, thought I crashed the game because he wasn't moving. He's just making up his mind of where to go. There's Dale. You gotta watch out for Dale. Dale will steal everything from you. Here's Kanye West. I haven't put any clothes on him yet. We'll figure that out. Civilians are blue hats, and then the farmers have, obviously have hats on. Somewhere there is Chase. Let's go find him. Yeah, here's Chase. Everyone say hi, Chase. Pimp Paradise. It's a little inside joke. Yeah. Aw, shoot, nuggets. We wanted to go to what? 1909. even true? Time to go to the bank. Fuck, we gotta fix that door. So it would be cool to add a vault here. Gotta make the borders bigger. You can see the blue. But the vault, it would be cool to deposit your money instead of your honey. Like I said though, we also gotta figure out why this isn't spawning correctly. Okay, so sorry, I'm just thinking out loud. Oh yeah, we gotta go through and replace all that text color. What kind of colors am I working with here? What is bar, water, shadow, path? So just black? What is this, a fucking hex? Let's see. This? Yeah, it is. It's gotta be hex. What, so just 1 0 0 0 0 0? Copied. And baby girl. TXT. Black. Bruh. What if I just do this? Oh shit. I just go bam. Oh wait, I'm gonna have to go 1 2. Does it still compile? Hey, it still compiles. Cool. So now, let's see. Oh wait, shit. Sorry, it never once like, how do you copy the entire bitch? Whatever. Let's see what happens. Shoot. So then we're just trying some things here, folks. Just trying some things. That's the name of it, right? Text black. Yeah. Their names aren't black though. They're still gray. Shit. What line was I on? Let's go 1,000. Damn it, I didn't look at what line I was on. So I guess we're just fucked. Just put something stupid here for now. Just leave it. Oh, I found it again. Cool. So if that's the center of the game, then that means the first one. Oh wait, for the grass. So down here, so we need to move this one. Let's see. Plaza Flowers. 170, 170. So I get a 90 in there. So this, the 90 has to be, yeah, because -90. What would this be? 90? Really? Because then it's not till up there. Well, I guess we'll have to just move one and figure it out. What happens if we say $60 instead? 2358. 2358, 2358. Is that down further? Can't tell. 2358, 2358, 2358. 2358, 2358, 2358. What if we change that up? What if we make it all 10? Then what happened? So that's 10. So we want to say another, so we say 40. And 40. That's good. So we'll say what if we say 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Where does that put all of them? Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm trying to figure it out too. Okay, so 10 is gonna be in the road here, so we'll say 40, right? Oh wait, shit. Now the other ones are fucked up too. The other ones are fine. So damn it, we were so close. We were so close. We're just gonna start bullshitting some numbers. Fuck it. Why do I care? See what happens. Okay. Well, at least they're out of the road for now. We can have that. Now we need to get these bushes and these fucking benches figured out. Oh, damn, I forgot. Okay. So I should do like oops. Free your mind and the rest will follow. Okay. So that's not bad. I like that location. Do we really need that many bushes though? What if we cut back on them? just delete out a few. What happens then? Shit. Oopsie daisy, forgot about that. Okay, so those are good, except they're in the middle of the road. So which two have two same constants? There's 100 and 100. I'm gonna guess those are the ones. So let's make you, let's say your, oops, forgot. One, let's be a little cheeky. And let's say you are, oof. Peace. No. You're still there. Why is this happening to me? Let's see. Hopefully this is good. Let me check on my phone 1 second. Hopefully this is good. Let me check on my phone 1 second. Yep, it's good. Talking to nobody, but that's alright. That's alright. What other ones have? Oh, I'm stupid. It's this, obviously. Let's give it 30. Say on 60. Yeah. Damn it. I don't really like it being 195 either. Not seller. Oops. I don't know. Oh shit. I don't know which ones those are actually moving. I should check. want them out of the road. Okay, so these two are chilling. Gotta figure out which ones are which now. I'm guessing it's these two. Well, they're out of the road now, so that's cool. What if we... said there's only 4 of them. I got rid of... those 2. Okay, now let's see what this does. Ugh. Now it's just hidden behind bushes. Now I just messed it all up. Okay, so first of all, this is 0, 0, so that means plus, minus, plus, minus. So minus, say 120 up, wherever that one is, 90. Let's see. If we'll change that back if we have to, but if I'm right, should put that up there somewhere. Okay, so I was completely wrong, but it is in a good spot. It's great to hear. Let's do 120. did I get here? Still compiles. Okay, so now the other issue we have is that there's some stray flowers, but I feel like the town square needs to be bigger anyways. So we'll at least extend it out to like here. Okay. So we have fixed a few issues in today's stream. I'm getting pretty tired because I get tired very early. So I think we're gonna wrap up for now. We didn't finish nearly as much as I was hoping, but we were kind of just pointing out bugs. Like I said too, I'm also learning, so all of this is hard to me. But it's fun. I'm having a good time. It's nice learning things. Kind of just maybe posting this. I don't know if I'll leave it up. Maybe I'll delete it because no one's watching it right now anyways. But so I don't know how much people will find interest in this later on because I don't really know what I'm doing. But maybe if you're on the fence of learning something new, or maybe if you're in the process of learning Odin yourself and you don't know what you want to make, you can at least make this video game. And pretty soon this game will be posted to GitHub. Tangled Codeberg. So if you want to download it and kind of reverse engineer it and make your own game, feel free. But like I said, I'm using raylib So you can also just use raylib yourself. Here, I can show you. So it says here. Oh shit. Wrong thing. Sorry. Because I gotta scroll all the way up. So yeah, you literally just say import raylib. And then you can start using all of the plugins and assets from raylib, like the colors, well, not the colors, but like shapes and things like that, like this smoke animation right here. So people make some pretty cool things with raylib. Let me see if there's anything I can look up and find. Okay, so this is literally from raylib examples. Let's go to games. So yeah, see, people make some pretty cool games here. I don't know what's going on. Retro Maze 3D. Okay, cool. So, like, this looks way more polished than mine. Like, there's gaps in all of my animations and whatnot, and it's not the best, but we're working on it. And yeah, hopefully we'll get here soon. But for now, that's been enough for me, and have a good night.